In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the task view in Todoist. If you're new to Todoist or looking to make your task management smoother, understanding how to navigate the task view is crucial. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening Todoist. Whether you access it via the app on your phone or on a web browser, make sure you're logged into your account and ready to streamline your productivity. Once you're in, head over to the inbox. Just a simple click on the inbox will do. This is where all of your tasks are initially gathered, so it's a great starting point for organizing your day or week. Next, from your inbox, select the task you want to delve deeper into. Clicking on a specific task will open up more details. It's your workbench, so to speak, where the real magic happens and where you can transform vague reminders into actionable steps. When you click on this task, it will expand, giving you more options to work with. In this expanded view, you'll notice a range of features. One of the first things you can do is add a subtask. This option allows you to break down larger tasks into smaller, more manageable pieces, which can be incredibly helpful if you're working on something complex with multiple steps. In addition to subtasks, you have the ability to add comments. This is useful for jotting down notes or ideas related to the task without disrupting its structure. You can also attach files or pictures directly to the task. Documenting progress visually or adding reference materials can enhance both clarity and efficiency. Now, let's move on to time management tools inside your task. You can add a specific date for when you plan to start or need to continue working on this task. Not only that, you can set a deadline. This is crucial for tasks with a firm completion date, ensuring you're always ahead of schedule rather than scrambling at the last minute. Priority levels are another key feature you can adjust here. Assigning a priority ensures that the most important or urgent tasks are always at the top of your list. Consider what has the most impact or urgency in your schedule and mark it accordingly. Lastly, enhancing your task with labels can bring an extra layer of organization. Labels categorize tasks, making them easier to find and sort. It's particularly useful when you have a mix of personal and work-related tasks, helping to quickly identify the context of each task. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using the task view in Todoist. By mastering these features, you'll be well on your way to achieving a more organized and productive workflow. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial helps you make the most out of Todoist. Happy organizing!